Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Wednesday the 12th. So it is almost 6:30, it's like 6:15, and I didn't realize that I had not done a default photo for Saturday's thing, the Winter Plannerland. So I have to do that now, and my camera is actually dying, so I'm going to let you actually watch this part. So I will come back hopefully with a little bit charged of a battery, just a little bit. I don't need too much. Well, I might need a lot more than I expected, but yeah. So you can watch me create the default image for the Winter Plannerland. So I hope you found that interesting. Sometimes it can be such a pain. I wanted the two pictures next to each other, like Mandy and Andrea's picture. Oh, sorry, ambulance going by. And I wanted them to be next to each other. I do have, I think, a picture of just Mandy and I on my phone that I probably could have uploaded, but it's downstairs, so I didn't feel like going to get it, where that one I actually inserted in the video. So, and plus I had Mandy's photo, I think, in frozen and Friday's video, the Winter Plannerland Friday's video, not actually Friday's video. So sometimes it just doesn't go as planned, and so now that I have that, I'm saving that, which you wouldn't see that, but that's what's happening now. And I'm going to go reheat the chicken noodle soup that I made last night and eat it. So that's all that's going on right now. All right, let me ask you a question. Does anyone else separate their juice after they make homemade Mickey? You can't tell the truth here. Does anyone else separate the liquid from their chicken noodle soup? And so when I reheat it, I literally grab some noodles and then I grab some broth and then just reheat it in the microwave. Well, I actually eat mine with a fork because I'm weird and I don't like soup. I like to just eat it.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so bright.
All right, going after the beeps. Hello. Oh, hi. Mickey looks more devilish. Oh, hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. Hi, Demies. Hi. Oh, don't get that close. Don't bite, Mom. Oh, Mickey, this is about to be bad. So let's wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. One wrong move. What you guys doing? Hmm? What are you doing? All right, you guys are too cute. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Have a good night. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and true story, that is what my, oh, sorry. I did not frame this very well. So that is what my life looks like right now after Winter Planner Land, and ironically, so I watched Tabitha's Instagram story and like her layout of like what she's gonna say, and I was like, I totally should have done that. I didn't do that. I literally winged it and was just going off like straight emotion and like just being there. So Tabitha's is probably gonna be better than mine and more precise and more, you know, inclusive. So there's that. But definitely check hers out. I will link it when it is up, especially on Instagram, because like you can link like to her. And then I'm trying to back plan in my Hobonichi. My goal is to finish it by the end of the year. There's a lot of blank pages, but there's a lot of filled in pages. I mean, that's decently full, but there's definitely chunks of time that I have absolutely nothing. You can't even see that. So let me see if I can do it this way. Like there's like in the middle here, like right there. And then there's even like a chunk right here, which I think is July. Yeah, all of July I pretty much didn't fill in. So I need to do that. But I'm gonna change my nails because I'm just feeling it. I don't know what I wanna do yet, although Dean's bit me, so. Well, I really could wait until like next week, but I have a feeling, although I have 2 days off next week that I just took. I don't know, I'm gonna take them off and then figure out what I wanna do, so.
We found our way again. We found our way again. We found our way. A new place.
Not gonna lie, I don't know how I feel about short nails. Like, so I did chop these off, so keeping that in mind. Like, there we go. It's so weird. I did want short nails though, so I don't know like why I feel weird about it. Maybe because I just haven't had short nails in like a year. But I just wanted like normal nails for like Christmas. I don't know. I'll get used to it. If not, I'll change it before I leave. Because they're all just like slightly over, and that's what I wanted. But maybe because like these two look super short, this one looks kind of long. This nail has always been long. This has a very long nail bed, and I even cut it a lot shorter than the other ones, but like, I don't know.